Hello students, I welcome you all at Safal. So in today's lecture of triangles chapter, we are going to understand similar figures and criteria for similarity of polygons. So in previous lecture we have seen the introduction part and basic proportionality theorem. So those students who have not seen those lectures, you can have a look so that you will understand more better. So let's start similar figures. So to understand similarity of triangles, similarity of any polygons, I have taken some situations. So the first situation I have taken on the screen. Now two circles are there. You can see it. Now two very basic questions I am going to ask. What are the two questions? These two figures are of same shape. Of course both are circles, so I'll give the answer as yes. If I'll ask they are of same size, so they are of same size, so your answer will be what? Yes. So if shape is same and size is same, so I can superimpose one on other and I will able to see just one. So that we have seen in already class 9th. We used to call it as what? Congruency. Correct? Now let us take situation 2. Now here if I'll ask the same two question, ki are the two figures of same shape? Your answer will be yes. Both are circles only. If I'll ask they are of same size, so your answer will be what? No. Okay. Let's take another situation. Now here I have taken two squares. If I'm asking the same question, are they of same shape? So both are a square, you will say yes. If I'm asking are they of same size, again your answer will be what? Yes. If I'll take the second situation and if I'm asking the same two question, so again for shape, if I'll ask you, you will say answer is yes because both are what? Squares. And if I'll ask you about same size, your answer will be no because this square has a bigger side as compared to this square. To take one more situation, now I have taken two triangles, equilateral triangles, what you can see on the screen. If I'll ask the same two question, are they of same shape? So again your answer will be yes. If I'll ask same size, so that also your answer will be yes because exactly both are copy paste of each other. So size is also what? Same. So that means this triangle I can superimpose on this triangle. Second situation, if I am asking the same two question, same shape, again your answer will be yes. If I am asking about same size, your answer will be what? No. So three cases we have seen. In the first situation, in all the three cases, we saw that shape was same and also the size was what? Same. While in the second situation, we have seen that shape is same but size is not same. So in situation 1, if I'll try to impose one figure on other, I'll able to do so. In second situation, if I'll try to impose one figure on other, it won't cover it exactly. It's something like if I take a 1 rupee coin and 2 rupee coin, if I put one coin above other, so they won't superimpose because they are of different size. So those figures where shape is also same and size is also same, those figures we call it as what? Congruent figures. And the figures which has same shape and not necessarily same size are called what? Similar figures. So बहुत ही clear है, अगर figures are of same shape and same size, we'll tell it as congruent figures. And if figures are of same shape but not necessarily of same size, we call it as what? Similar figures. To take some example, now the two circles on the left side, if I'll ask, so they are basically what? Congruent figures because they are circles and their size is also what? Same. So I can call them as what? Congruent figures. But in the right hand side, if I'll ask, so both are circle, shape is same but size is not same. So here I can say what? Similar figures. Okay. Similarly, the next situation, again the square case what we took. So here I can see that both the square are what? Congruent. That means one can be superimposed on what? Others. Correct? But here I have similar figure. Because shape is same but size is not same. Correct? Similarly, the third situation what we took for triangle. So again these two triangles are, I can say, congruent. So congruent figures. And here in the right hand side if I'll ask, so shape is same, both are equilateral triangle but size is different, so I can call similar figures. Okay, so very much clear. So two very basic questions you are going to ask, whether shape is same or not, whether size is same or not. If both shape and size are same, we call it as congruent figures. If shape is same, then I can call it as similar figures. So when I am worrying about similarity, I am not worrying about size. My concern is whether shape is same or not. Okay. Now one very important thing you can note from here is, whatever, if I'll ask these two circles are similar, your answer will be yes, because both are circle. Similarly, these two squares are similar, your answer will be yes. So that means all congruent figures are what? Similar. All congruent figures are what? Similar. But if I'll ask vice versa, all similar figures are congruent. So in the right hand side only I can see that if I'll try to superimpose this circle on this, I won't able to superimpose. That means all similar figures need not be congruent. Okay, so this is a very important point you can keep in mind. Congruent figures are similar but similar figures need not be congruent. हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता. So after understanding congruency and similarity, let's try to look at what are the conditions for two polygons to be similar. So if two polygons are given to us and if we need to check mathematically are they similar or not, so what we need to check is corresponding angles are equal or not. That is the first question we are going to ask. Then we are going to ask the corresponding sides are in same ratio or proportion or not. So that means to check similarity of two polygons, we are supposed to check two things. The first thing is angles are equal or not, and the second thing is whether corresponding sides are proportional or not. Now if two figures are similar, then we make use of this symbol figure 1 similar figure 2, and we read it as figure 1 is similar to what? Figure 2. The symbol this one stands for what? Is similar to. Already you have studied in class 9th that this is the symbol used for what? Is congruent to. So if two figures are similar, so this symbol we are going to put between the name of two similar figures, and we are going to read it as figure 1 similar to figure 2, or maybe whatever name we have given that we can read. Okay, so let us take a question. Now here check whether the quadrilateral ABCD and PQRS are similar or not. So just now we saw the mathematical condition. We need to check for two things: whether angles are equal, whether sides are proportional or not. So the first condition I am looking at, angles are equal or not. So here I can see angle A equals what? 105 degree, correct? And in the second figure I can see that angle P is what? 105 degree. So I can say angle A equals what? Angle P, correct? The second angle B if I am looking at, so that is 100 degree. Now corresponding to B I have angle 100 degree at Q. So angle Q is what? 100 degree. So I can say angle B equals what? Angle Q. Now if I am taking angle C, so C I have 70 degree. Now where I have 70 degree in other diagram, so I can see angle R is what? 70 degree. So I can see angle C equals what? Angle R. Now angle D is what? 85 degree. And if I am looking at angle S in the second quadrilateral, So that is also what? 85 degree. That means angle D is equals to what? Angle S. So here the first condition we have verified. I can see the corresponding angles are equal. But this is not sufficient to comment whether they are similar or not. Still we need to check for what? Proportionality of side. So now AB I am going to see with PQ. So AB by PQ, if I'll see it, so that is what? I can see 1.5 by 3. So that's basically 1 by 2. Similarly, if I'm looking at BC by QR, so BC by QR, so that I can see 2.5 by 5. That is also what? 1 by 2. If I'm looking at CD by RS, CD by RS, so 2.4 by 4.8. So that is also what? 1 by 2. And if I'm looking at DA by SP, so 2.1 by 4.2. So that is also what? 1 by 2. So I can see that all the sides are also what? Proportional. I can see that AB by PQ is same as BC by QR, is same as CD by RS, is same as DA by SP. So I can see that all are equals to what? 1 by 2. So I can see angles are equal and sides are proportional. Hence I can say that quadrilateral ABCD is what? Similar to PQRS. So I can write ABCD, the name of the quadrilateral, then similar to sign, and PQRS. Okay. So it's very simple. We need to check for two things: whether angles are equal, whether sides are proportional or not. If both places we are getting the answer as yes, we'll say the polygons are similar. Let's take the next question. Now this is also a question from NCERT textbook itself. Check whether quadrilateral ABCD and PQRS are similar or not. So I can see that if I'm looking at angles, so the first condition, so angle A I can say equals what? Angle P, both are what? 90 degree, no problem. Angle B equals angle Q, that is also what? 90 degree. Similarly, if I'll see angle C, so that is equals to angle R, that is also what? 90 degree. If I'll see angle D, so that is equals to angle S, that is what? Again 90 degree. So that means first condition is fine, angles are equal. Now let's check proportionality of sides. Okay. So if I am checking the ratio AB by PQ, so what I am getting? 3 by 3.5. Maybe I can say 30 by 35, and 5 6 ja and 5 7 ja. So 6 by 7. So AB by PQ is what? 6 by 7. If I am looking at BC by QR, so that is what? 3 by 3, which is 1. If I am looking at RS by, if I am looking at CD by RS, so CD by RS again 3 by 3.5, that we have found, 6 by 7. And DA by SP, so that is again 3 by 3, so that is what? 1. So here I can see that the sides are not proportional. AB by PQ, I can see that is not same as what? BC by QR. Okay. So even if one side is not proportional, then you can say sides are not proportional. So I can say that sides are not in same ratio, are not in same ratio. One place the ratio is what? 6 by 7, other place it is 1:1. So ratio is not same. So I'll say ABCD is not similar to what? PQRS. Okay. So you need to check for both condition. Here you can see that angles are equal but sides are not proportional, and that's why the quadrilaterals are not similar. So both the condition you need to check. Now here again we need to check whether they are similar or not. So the first condition, if I look at, so here you can find that if I'm looking at, let's say, angle, so I can see angle A is what? 90 degree, right? It looks a square and this is a rhombus. So angle A is 90 degree, and if I'll see P, so that is of course not 90 degree. So I'll write angle A not equals to what? Angle P. Similarly angle B not equals to what? Angle B not equals to angle Q, and angle C not equals to angle R, and angle D not equals to angle S. If you see the second condition, whether the sides are in same ratio or not, so if you find AB by PQ, so that is 2.1 by 4.2, so that is what? 1 by 2. Since all the sides are same, so you'll find that BC by QR, then you have CD by RS, and then you have DA by SP. So all are equals to what? 1 by 2. So here I can see sides are proportional. Sides are proportional, or I can say bear the same ratio. Okay. So the second condition is true. Sides are proportional, but first condition is not true. So since one condition fails, I'll say ABCD is not similar to, so ABCD is not similar to PQRS. Okay, so you can note here that both the conditions are necessary for the two polygons to be similar. Only one condition is not sufficient. So that's what I have provided it as a note. Either of the above two conditions, 1 and 2, of similarity of two polygons is not sufficient. Very important. Both the conditions should get satisfied for similarity. So let's take up one more set of questions from NCERT textbook itself. So this is a fill in the blanks. Very easy. So all circles are congruent or similar. Now shape is same, size we don't know. So since shape is same, I can say they are what? Similar. So here the proper word is what? Similar. All squares are similar or congruent. So again we don't know about size, but we know shape is what? Same. So I can put the word here also what? Similar. All dashed triangles are similar. So isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Now of course equilateral triangles will be similar. If they are of any size, they will be what? Always similar, because shape is what? Same. So here equilateral triangle will come. So equilateral triangle. Two that are always similar. Options are square and parallelogram. So of course square we have seen, they are similar, but two parallelograms always need not be similar, because opposite sides are parallel, but you never know whether angles are equal or not and sides are proportional or not. But for the square it is always. So here the answer will be what? Square. So with that we have finished the session on similar figures and condition for similarity of two polygons. So I'll stop it here. In the next session we are going to learn similarity of triangles and various criteria for that. So thank you so much for watching Shuffle. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.